Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the Waterdrop N1 Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filtration System. The water coming out from this water filtration system tastes the same as the bottled water I bought from Costco. You can see the TDS number displayed on top. TDS stands for Total Dissolved Solids. I also have another meter here so I can take 3 measurements. Not that I don't trust the number here. It's because I want to take one measurement in the water tank, the filtered water, and to establish the baseline, the water TDS measurement from the bottled water. Now let's do this. One continuous shot, no editing. In the water tank, that's straight from my kitchen sink. 327. Now let's take a measurement here. 38. Sometimes I feel like the longer I run the filter, the smaller the number. Usually I get about 35. You can also change its quantity, 4 ounce, 8 ounce, or 16 ounce or manual. I'm getting 44 here. It is a little bit higher than the number on the screen. I assume this bottle is probably contaminated a little bit. Now let's open up the purified water. And the opening is a little bit too small, so I have to cut it. I do not want to, well, this is getting pretty messy. I don't want to spill it out just to, again, it may contaminate the contents. It's 82, 83. I don't understand. It is actually higher than the water coming out from the water filter. Yeah, maybe I should open up another one. I don't understand. Look, again, this is one continuous shot. I won't edit this video. It's all happening in real time. I'm getting 55 here. Again, the second test, it is higher. Hold, so it will stop here. 55. Doing a second test because I find it very hard to believe that this water filtration system actually outperformed the bottled water. Then I took a closer look. Guess what? This is spring water I just cut open. So it makes perfect sense why its TDS contents is higher than the filtered water. Now I have a really purified water from Costco Kirkland. And now let's establish the baseline. Again, it's one continuous shot. I'm measuring 32. Okay, 32. And from the tap water, the measurement is 217. And I also got a refill of this water from the tap water in the tank, which is 255. Now let's run the test again from the water filtration system N1 Countertop from Waterdrop. Stop. It's 40. Did not outperform the purified water from Costco, but close enough. Again, the purified water is 32. Pretty close. So, well, it's virtually indistinguishable if you're drinking from the bottled water and the one from the N1 Countertop filtration system from Waterdrop. And it only consumes 0.6 watt of power when in standing by mode. When it's working, it only consumes 2.7 watts. Very, very power efficient. In the following video, I'm gonna show you the unboxing and its setup process. It's a really good looking machine. This is the Waterdrop reverse osmosis system countertop unit. It has 2 filter cartridges. The main unit is pretty compact with a 135 ounce water tank. No installation is required. It produces clean water as long as there is a power supply. There are only a few accessories included: a tray, 2 filters, and a water tank that has already been attached. This water tank is removable. The capacity is marked on the right side. It does not require much effort to plug it in. I assume this water tray is to provide a steady platform for the cups and also catch excessive water spill. There are some instructions on the right side of the machine. Those steps must be followed to initialize the filtration system. The first step is to install the water filters. This step is pretty straightforward. Simply remove the lid and plug in the filters according to the labels, because the filters are different. It takes about 2 to 3 gallons of water and 15 minutes to completely flush the filters for the first time. Luckily, this step is fully automatic. Simply load the water, press the power button. It will run for about 15 minutes. The machine can be used after about 15 minutes, and I have to dump out the wastewater, then it's ready. It looks great and fits anywhere in the house.